Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at some Majorette motor cars. These have a pullback motor and are based on licensed vehicles. Majorette also has a line of fantasy motor cars. I don't have any of those, I'm not interested in them. So this is the oldest one I have, it's from 2011. Let's take a look at the packaging first. So here you have a kind of a picture that says, or that shows that this is a pullback vehicle, and here we got some symbols that indicate that this vehicle has opening parts. That it is metal, of course. Usually these are around €3 normal price. I bought all of these in 2018, so that means this one was in store for 7 years. That's quite some time, so still a lot of money to be in store for that long a time, but I did not have this casting yet. It's the only example I have of this casting, so I just had to buy it. Let's take a look at it. It opens very easily. The glue has deteriorated. So July 2007 is a production date. So what does it say here? Majorette BMW 325 M3. That's strange. It's either a 325 or an M3, but can be both of them. 159 scale. And then it says Ultimate Cars here on the bottom. That's weird. Never seen that before. So these are rubber tires, of course, to get some grip. The interior is, I think, the same in the front and the back. The back seats have kind of disappeared and replaced by a plastic cover for the engine, of course. Opening parts will be the doors in this case. There you go. So that's the plastic insert for the headlights, BMW logo, and the tail lights. So that's cool. Let's see whether this works. And there it goes. Next up, we got a Peugeot 206, if I'm not mistaken. .206, yes, I was correct. This says motor car on the base. It's got 2 references. This does not have opening parts, it did not say on the card. So here you can see interior is pretty much intact, just the rear passengers have to cut off their legs to be able to sit there, but otherwise they were able to keep the interior as it was. Next up we got this Beamer. So this one does have opening parts. BMW Z3 Coupe, 2012 production, motor car. So in this case is the tailgate that opens up. So as you can see, there's still some room in the boot or trunk. So the engine does not take up that much space. That's cool. Pretty wide wheels, certainly in the front. Next up, another Peugeot 206, but this time the regular version, not the convertible. So This has practically the same base as the other one, or maybe exactly the same base. This has an opening hood or bonnet. Engine detail is not really impressive, but that's okay, doesn't need to be. Next up is another Peugeot 206 convertible. So pretty much the same as the other one. It just got different wheels, different style of wheels. The red one has a little bit less rubber on it. The headlights are a little bit different too. The blue one has more detail in the headlight tempo. Pretty much the same everywhere else. Making a little bit of room here. Another BMW Z3 Coupe, but with a different set of wheels and a little bit younger in age. The 2013 release. So the other one had these multi-spoke ones. This is a little bit different in design. Same color, same opening features. Next one, BMW Z8. (2013) production. This does have an opening part, although it did not say that on the card, I believe. Then these are a little bit more modern, different card. It says Motor Cars here on the side. Pullback here. Porsche GT3. This is a March 2015 packaging date. This has the opening parts, the doors. Here you can see the engine does take up part of the front seats. That's unfortunate. Doesn't really look that well. But all in all, a nice model nonetheless. Then we got a Citroen DS4, May 2016 packaging date. So here we get pretty much a complete interior, just the back seat is partially removed, but the front is still there. Very much detailed seats. Hello there. I don't know if it will show, but these seats are really nice. See, got the special leather stitching. A nice detail. DS4 it says. So this still has the Citroen logo too, but nowadays it's without the Citroen logo. Citroen 1/64 scale. And then the last one, the Peugeot 508 SW, which stands for station wagon. May 2016 also. This has an opening feature. the boot or trunk, so still a lot of room left despite the engine. Takes up a little bit of the back seat, in the front still there. So most of these also existed in a regular version, if not all of them. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.